Hi, I'm Matt with Jupiter Bike. Today we're going to be unboxing an X5. Let's get underway. Simple tools needed for the job, a pair of snips for the bands, and some type of blade for cutting. Opening the box, we're going to try to remove all the loose bits we have. We have our charger, our fenders, and our seat post, kind of all strapped in there. You can see the bike is resting easily inside the box, weighing in at just over 30 pounds. It's quite simple to just lift the X5 up. I just have the magnet holding it together. I can fold the bike closed. Gonna unwrap the lever here. Snap the bike shut. The kickstand is already pre-installed, so we can drop the kickstand and the bike's going to support itself. We're going to remove all the packaging from the X5 first. We've got a couple of these wire ties or zip ties that are going to need to be clipped free. With the clasp open, we can bring the handlebar stem up and fix it into place. And we'll continue to remove the packaging from the X5. Okay, we can take a look at the handlebars here on this one. The handlebars are in an awkward position. We're going to relieve the quick release, roll the handlebars back to a good position. I like where those brakes are. We're also going to take note of the groove on the handlebar. When those grooves disappear, you got the handlebar centered pretty good on the post. The only part we actually have to install for operation is going to be the seat post. Opening the latch, inserting the seat post. It is loose. We're going to adjust the screw on this side until it is firm to close the clasp. A little more than that. See, our seat won't move now. Unfold our pedals. We can power on, holding the power button down for 3 seconds. Hold the up for 2 seconds. We now have light, horn. You can also test the throttle and the brakes. And you can also turn the pedals to check the pedal assist. All the functions of the bike fully working. We just need to air up the tires and we're ready for our first ride. I'm Matt and this was our Discovery X5. With a little air in the tires, this bike's going to be ready to ride. We'll see you out there.